Being in a CAD environment, ElectricalOM has the ability to place frames to create pages for the purposes of creating reports and print-offs. As default, ElectricalOM has a basic frame layout that can be used very simply within the schematic view. ElectricalOM also has the ability to create custom frames. Another video details how custom frames are created and work within ElectricalOM. Here in this video, we will be focusing upon the standard frames built into the software. The options around creating and placing frames within the schematic view can be seen here. The first thing that we can do is choose what size page our frame is going to be creating. As you can see in this drop-down menu, we have all the standard page sizes from A4 to A0. Also, there is a custom option. Custom page sizes can be defined by using the ellipsis icon here. Here is where we can put in a custom defined frame size. In this example, I'm going to use a simple A3 page. To place the frame, I'm going to select this button here. A frame has now been placed within the schematic. However, our schematic does not fit the frame. Now, we can use the frame scale just to the right hand side of the frame option. By adjusting the slider, the page will increase in size or decrease depending on the direction we move the slider. Once I have created a suitable size frame using the scale, I can now move my schematic to fit the location. The information within the title block of our frame is automatically populated. This is based upon the information that we put in about the project. Here in the project info and options, if I change one of the fields, such as the project title, you will see that the relevant project description has now changed within the frame. This is the same for the other fields here, including the client, the details, who the design was done by, and when a revision was done. The drawing and sheet numbers, again, are done by accessing the ellipsis at the top of the page. The drawing number and sheet number can be inputted here.